through the 20th century and today. Ladies and gentlemen, the P-40 Warhawk. The legacy Curtiss P-40 Warhawk fighter was manufactured by Curtiss Aircraft Company in Buffalo, New York, through its entire production run from 1939 until 1944, and first flew in 1938. An improvement on the Curtiss P-36, the P-40 was one of the first fighters to incorporate an inline liquid-cooled V-12 motor, which replaced the radial engine of